Today we'll be learning how to play a 1-octave E minor scale on the cello. Now E minor is the key signature of 1 sharp, so it has the same key signature as G major. That is F sharp in the key signature, so we always play F sharp in E minor. However, we also, when we're ascending, if you remember, those the 6th note and the 7th note need to be higher. So those are C and D in the key of E minor. So ascending the scale, going up, we will play C sharp and D sharp, and then going down, D natural and C natural. So we will have some different finger patterns, ascending and descending. We're going to do the low octave of this one, and so we're going to start on the C string. We're going to be in an extended hand position with a whole step from 1 to 2, and our first finger is in the normal spot, so this is a forward extension, and our second finger is on E. That's putting us in position for the F sharp with the 4th finger. So we'll start with E, 4th finger, F sharp, open G, then we play A, good, 3rd finger B, next note is C sharp, but we're going to shift to it. So let's go ahead and shift to 3rd position. This is slightly raised 3rd position. And then 3rd finger on D sharp, and then 4th finger is on E. Going down, we change our finger pattern, so just add an extension. So we play 4th finger again, now 2nd finger, extend the 1st finger, this is C natural, shift back to 3rd finger, B, A, open G, extend, and then E, 2nd finger. So all together that looks like this. Let's try it with the beat. Since the fingering for this one is a little bit tricky, we're going to go ahead and do 4 beats per note. Nice and slow. Starting 2nd finger,